Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make something very simple but also very cute. We're going to make a crochet fish. So we're going to start with a magic ring. We're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to finish it with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make single crochet. And to make a single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull it through the loops. So that is a single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more single crochet. Once you are done, you can just pull the yarn to close the ring. And we're going to continue into the second round. For the second round, we're going to make a single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. Don't forget to mark the first stitch. And then on the next stitch, we're going to make an increase. And for increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in one stitch. So we're going to make a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. So that is an increase. And for this round, we're going to use the pattern of a single crochet and increase until we reach the end of this round. We're going to continue into the next round, and for round 3, we're going to make 2 single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 2 single crochet first. And then we're going to continue with an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 2 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Continue into round 4. We're going to make 3 single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 3 single crochet first. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and an increase. We're going to go with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Before finishing the last stitch for round 4, we're going to insert the yarn for the second color. In this video, I'm using a blue yarn. Then to make sure that it is secure, I'm going to make a double knot. And since we no longer need the yellow yarn, we can just cut it off. And we are going to continue into the next round. And for round 5, we're going to make 4 single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 4 single crochet first. Then we're going to continue with an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 4 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until the end of this round. For round 6, we're going to make 5 single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 5 single crochet first. Then we're going to continue with an increase. And that is the pattern for this round, 5 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Then you can insert the safety eyes. I'm using 4mm plastic eyes. And we can continue into the next round. And for round 7 and round 8, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Next, we can add a little bit of stuffing. Next, we're going to close the fish and we're going to fold the fish into half like so. When we fold the fish, we will have 2 sides of stitches that we need to sew together. And to close the fish, we're only going to use the back loop only. So using both of the back loops, we're going to make a single crochet for the next 4 stitches. We're going to make 1 chain. Then still on the back loop, on the next stitch we're going to make 4 half double crochet. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the back loops. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. There will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. That is a half double crochet. Still on the same stitch, we're going to make 3 more half double crochet. On the next stitch, we're also going to make 4 half double crochet. Then we're going to continue with a chain. And then we're going to make a single crochet for the next 3 stitches. We're going to finish it with a chain. Next, you can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This one is definitely very simple, but I hope you still like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!